How to send Interac e-transfer on TD Bank app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So when you send money, the transfer fee, if any, is charged to your account at the time you send the money. When you request the money, the transfer fee, if any, is charged to the recipient's account at the time they deposit the money into their account. If they accept the request, there is no fee for you to accept the request. So for personal accounts with no Interac transfer fees, the following personal accounts do not have the transfer fees for sending or requesting money, and they are TD All-Inclusive Banking Plan. Another is TD Unlimited Checking Account and TD Everyday Checking Account and TD Student Checking Account as well. The personal accounts that have transfer fees for sending or requesting money and the fees vary depending on the amount is TD Minimum Checking Account, where it does not charge anything for sending money and for requesting money. And if the transaction is up to $100, $0.50 is charged, and your transactions is over $100, $1 is charged. The following business accounts have a transfer fee of $1.50 per transaction, and that is the TD Everyday Business Plans, A, B, and C, and TD Basic Business Plan. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.